Today in this video lecture, we are going to finish two questions of miscellaneous which are continue with expansion of using binomial theorem. That is question number 9 and next question is question number 10. Then after we will come to middle terms formula. Okay. So first question is question number 9. Using binomial theorem, we have to expand this, right? So binomial theorem is for only two terms. And this is given here three terms. So what to do? So we have to apply for two terms, means we have to we can take either this as a and this as a b, either this 1 plus x, whatever it may be, right? So if you have two options, you can expand this as like this: 1 plus x by 2 minus 2 by x whole raised to 4, right? Or you can write this as 1 plus x by 2 minus 2 by x whole raised to 4, right? So here this is a, this is b, here this is 1 plus x. So whatever you may like, right? आपको जो पता है वो यूज करके आप इसका एक्सपांड कर सकते हैं. हम a यूज करके एक्सपांड करेंगे तो वापस क्या होगा कि b पावर में हमारे पास 1 प्लस एक्स का फॉर्मूला आ जाएगा, राइट? तो हम ये एक्सपांड करेंगे. सो गिवन दैट आई एम राइटिंग डायरेक्टली दिस नाउ. ओके, सो 1 प्लस एक्स बाय 2, राइट, माइनस 2 बाय एक्स. सो एक्स बाय 2 माइनस 2 बाय एक्स होल टू द पावर 4, राइट? दिस इज इक्वल टू, नाउ दिस इज योर a, दिस इज योर b. नाउ दिस इज अ लॉन्ग सम. ये सम जो है उसका लेंथ पाएगा, तो सिंप्लीफिकेशन में हमें ज्यादा स्टेप लिखना पड़ेगा. तो इसके लिए मैं अभी फॉर्मूला नहीं लिखता हूँ. फॉर्मूला आपको a प्लस बी होल रेज़ टू n का पता है, राइट? ये a माइनस b होगा, तो a माइनस b का 1 प्लस 1 माइनस, दैट यू नो. सो आई एम नॉट राइटिंग. सो nc0 दैट इज 4c0, a इज 1 प्लस x by 2 and b power 0 is 1. Now next step will be minus 4c1 1 plus x by 2 whole square into b, that is 2 by x. Next step will be plus, because there is a minus, so 1 plus 1 minus, now plus. Now this is 4c2 1 plus x by 2 whole, we have to write here, I am going to 1 2 3, instead of that we are coming to 4. Now this is, that is also nice, right? Okay, 4 cube 1, now square, this is square, sorry, this is square, and this is 2 by x whole square minus 4c3 1 plus x by 2 whole to the power 1 and 2 by x cube and plus 4c4. This power is 0 and this is power 4, right? So first मैंने क्या किया था, मैंने b रेज़ टू n से स्टार्ट करने की जगह a रेज़ टू n की जगह पे b रेज़ टू n से स्टार्ट किया था, इसका 0 1 2 3 लेके. सो वापस चेंज करके यही ऑर्डर में आ गए, राइट? सो दिस इज 4c0 is 1 and this is 1 plus x by 2 whole raised to 4 minus, this is 4c1. If you want to reduce the step, then you have to write the value of this expansion, but I am writing one step more. Now 4c1 is 4, this is 1 plus x by 2 whole cube into, this is 2 by x, right? Then plus 4c2, 4c2 is 4 into 3, 12, divide by 2, that is 6 into 1 plus x by 2 whole square into 4 upon x square, right? Because square of this you know, right? Minus 4c3, 4c3 is 4c1 and 4c1 is 4, and this is 1 plus x by 2 and this is 8 upon x cube, and 4c4 is 1 and 2 raised to 4 is 16 upon x raised to 4, right? Now we have to apply a plus b whole raised to n, but a is 1. So 1 plus x raised to n formula applying. So 1 plus x raised to n formula I am writing here with small letters, right? 1 plus x raised to n is nc0 plus nc1x plus nc2 x square plus dash dash dash. This is the formula for 1 plus x whole raised to n. 1 plus x whole raised to n. This is the formula that we have to apply. So applying this formula, what we get? nc0, n is 4. So this is 4c0 again plus 4c1 into x. X is x by 2 plus 4c2 x by 2 whole square plus 4c3 x by 3 whole cube, right? Then 4c4 plus 4c4 x by 2. Why this is 3? X by 2 whole raised to 4. X by 2 whole raised to 4. Now this is finished. Now this I am writing here minus 4. Again we have to apply same formula, but power is 3. So answer is 3c0 plus 3c1 x by 2 plus 3c2 x by 2 whole square plus 3c3 x by 2 whole cube. आपको पता चल रहा है ना? हाँ. Now this is finished, right? So bracket must be over. Then plus 6. So plus 6, right? Either you can write directly expansion of this, either you can apply formula. All are same. So this is 1 plus. So 1 plus. I think so here we have to multiply 2 by x also, right? Here we have to multiply 2 by x. So 2 by x plus 6 into expansion of this is 1 plus square of this is 1 plus 2 times this, that means 2 cancel, so twice x. So twice x plus x square by 4. So answer is x square by 4 into 4 by x square into 4 by x square. Now this is 4 into 8, 32 upon x cube, right? So minus 32 upon x cube minus 32 upon x cube into 1 plus x by 2 into 1 plus x by 2 and plus 16 by x raised to 4 plus 16 by x raised to 4. So again this is 4c0, 4c1, 4c2 that we have to simplify. So this is 4c0 is 1 plus 4c1 is 4. So 4 into x by 2 plus 4c2, 4 into 3, 12 divided by 2 is 6. So plus 6 x square upon 4 plus 4c3 is 4c1. Applying this formula, NCR is equal to NC, N minus R. Applying this formula, so 4c3 is 4c, 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 is less than this 3. So 4c1 is 4. So this is 4 x cube upon 8 plus 4c4 is 1 and this is x raised to 4 divided by 16, right? Now this is 4 into 2, that is 8 by x. 8 by x. Can I write directly here by multiplying this? 4 into 2, 8 by x. So I am writing 8 by x directly here. So this is 8 by x. So this will be, if we forget to write, then this is okay, right? So this is plus now. Okay. So this is 8 by x. Okay. And 3c0 is 1. 3c0 is 1. So answer will be minus 8 by x plus 3c1 is 3, right, into 8. So 3 into 8, 24 divided by x. So minus 24 divided by x into x by 2 as it is. 3c2 is, applying this formula, we get 3c1 3c. 3 minus 2 is 1, so 3c1. This is 3, this is 8. 24 divided by x, so this is minus 24 divided by x, right? Then this is x square by 4, so this is x square by 4, right? Plus 3c3 is 1 into 8 by x, so this is 8 by x into x cube by 8 into x cube by 8. Got it? Then this is over. Now multiplying this, right? So what we get? 6 into 4, 24 divided by x square. So plus, I am writing here because no more space, plus this 6 into 4, 24 divided by x square, multiply by 1. So 24 divided by x square, right? So 24 into 2, 48, x upon x square. So plus 48 x upon x square. I am not cancelling, right? Plus 24 x square. 24. Either if you multiply this 6 4 into 8, so 24 x square. So plus 24 upon x square into multiply by x square by 4. I am writing one step more. This is 6 into 4, 24 divided by x square into x square by 4 will be kept. So answer will be your only 6, but I am writing all steps. Now this minus 32 upon x cube minus, if we multiply this, then what we get? 32 upon x cube into x by 2. आपको ये संभाल के करना है, right? With every precaution you have to take, right? Some if आपने एक भी step गलत लिख दिया तो आंसर गलत आएगा. So this is, so now 1, this is twice x. So you have to now simplify and write in either ascending order of x or either descending order of x. You will get your answer. You will get your answer. So I am leaving this for you, and answer of this will be x raised to 4 by 16. Can I simplify? Or you may? Okay, we will do. So this is 1 plus this is twice x, right? Plus this is 3 by 2 x square. So 3 by 2 x square plus this is x cube by 2, right? X plus x raised to 4 by 16. So x raised to 4 by 16 minus 8 by x. So minus 8 by x. This x will be cut. So minus 12. So answer is minus 12. Here x will be cut. So answer is minus 6x. So minus 6x. Here 8 cancel. So answer is x square. So plus x square. Right? Then plus 24 by x square. So plus 24 by x square. Then 48 by x. So plus 48 by x. X square x cancel, answer will be 6. So plus 6 minus 32 by x cube. Here 16 by x square. So minus 16 by x square plus 16 upon x raised to 4 by 16 upon x raised to 4. Right? So now equating highest power. Highest power is x raised to 4 divided by 16. Right? X raised to 4 divided by 16. So this term will be no more with x raised to 4 power. So x raised to 4 divided by 16. Now x cube. Only one term is x cube by 2. I am checking also answer. So this is plus x cube by 2. Right? Now square. Square is this. This is 3 by 2 x square. This is x square. Right? So 3 by 2 plus 1. That is 5 by 2 x square. Right? And another term is there or not? We are making some mistake with x square. How we get here? 3 by 2. plus x square minus 6x. Okay, this is minus 6x, and how we get minus minus plus here? 8 by x cube. This is minus, so we get minus this, so x square will be minus this, right? So this is 1 upon 2 x square, that is the correct answer, plus 1 upon 2 x square. So you have to be alert, right? Like this, ये माइनस मल्टीप्लाई किया तो माइनस आना चाहिए, वो प्लस लिख दिया था, सो वी गेट द प्रॉब्लम, राइट? तो आपको एक्टिव लेके काम करना पड़ेगा. नाउ x वाला 2, right? So this is twice x and this is minus 6x, so minus 4x is correct answer, so minus 4x. Now after minus 4x, shall we write constant term? Constant term is 1, right? This is 1, then minus 12, that is minus 11, and plus 6, that is minus 5. So constant term is minus 5. Now 1 upon x. Now 1 upon x. So 1 upon x वाली term है वो a है एक और एक a. These two terms, right? So 48 minus 8 is 40, right? Divide by x. और कोई टर्म है x वाली, इसमें भी प्रॉब्लम आएगा, because answer is given 1 upon x में 16x, so we miss out any term by 1 upon x. So this is 48 upon x, this is 24. 6 minus 16 upon x square, and 6 is to 4. So all other terms are good. x cube में 32 भी correct है. x square का problem आ रहा है. x square कितना है? 8 upon x square. x square is 8 upon x square भी सही है. So x में problem है. 8 upon x. ये कहाँ से आया? 8 upon x. First, second, this is third, fourth, 8 upon x. ये जो 8 upon x आया, let me find out, 1 minute. Okay, so here we are making mistake. Expansion of this will be 2x, that is 2 into 2 will be cut. So we get here only x, right? So plus 6 into 4, that is 24 by x square, that is okay. So 6 into 4, this is 24x into x. So this is 24x into x. So this is 24 by x. So instead of 48, this is 24. मैंने बोला था आपको, एक मिस्टेक हो गई तो प्रॉब्लम होगा. So this is 24 by x. So 24 minus 8 is 16 by x. So that is the correct answer. Plus 16 by x. Now 1 upon x square, वो तो एक ही है या दो है? कितना है? 2. So 16, this is 24 minus 16 is minus plus 8 upon x square. Cube एक ही है, minus 32 upon x raised to 3 and 16 x raised to 4, right? So 32 upon x cube plus 16 upon x raised to 4, right? So जो मैंने बोला था कि सिंप्लीफिकेशन में एक भी स्टेप, मैंने बोला था ये 2 कट हो जाएगा, मगर वापस भी मेरे से यहाँ पे 2 लिखा गया, right? That is my mistake, so sorry for that. So आपको ये with carefully, right, attention के साथ लिखना है, okay? So important thing is formula, then simplification you have to take care. आपको ऐसी सिली मिस्टेक नहीं करनी है, okay? मैंने बोला था x होगा, मगर लिख दिया twice x, वो हो जाता है कभी कभी, so sorry for that. So now take a screenshot and do it yourself, okay? Similarly, type question, question number 10, using binomial theorem expansion this, okay? So we are, for our convenience, we taking this 3x square plus 3x square together, that is 3x square minus twice ax, so minus twice ax plus 3a square whole raised to 3. We write this as taking 3 common from this. So what we get? X square plus a square and minus twice ax, minus twice ax whole cube, right? So this term will be our a and this is our b, and this is a formula for a minus b whole raised to n, right? आपने प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में भी देखा कि हमें यहाँ पे जगह कम पड़ रही है, right? We are short of space. So I am not writing formula once again. As you know, a minus b whole raised to n formula, and I am writing expansion from here, right? For this only, right? Because we need more space. So this is 3 power nc0, that is 3c0. So 3c0, right? A raised to n, that is 3 into x square plus a square, 3 into x square plus a square whole raised to n, that is 3. Now minus is between two terms a and b, so next step will be minus 3c1, 1 power less of this, that is 3 times x square plus a square whole square, and introducing of b, that is twice ax. Next step will be plus 1 power of this less, and here we get 3c2, and this is 3 times x square plus a square whole to the power 1 and power 2 of twice ax, and last step will be minus 3c3, and power of this is 0, so no need to write, and power of this is cube, so this is twice ax whole cube, twice ax whole cube. I'm writing small bracket for this also, okay? So now again 3c0 is 1, 3 raised to 3 is 27, so 1 into 27, and then we have to apply a plus b whole raised to 3 formula again, that is 3c0 plus 3c0 x square raised to 3, right? Both have term has a plus sign, so all terms are plus, so plus 3c1 x square into a square plus 3c2 x square and a square and plus 3c3 x square is to 0 and a square is to 3. So this is the expansion of this term. Minus 3c1 is 3. So I am writing here minus 3. So if we make any mistake, तो आपको कुछ ढूंढना है तो ये अच्छा रहेगा. So 1 by 1 step लिखेंगे. 3 square is 9. So 9 into 3, that is 27. And expansion of this, that you know, x raised to 4 plus 2 times x square a square plus a raised to 4 is the expansion of this, multiplied by 2ax, right? So this is twice ax plus 3c2. 3c2 is 3c1. Applying this formula that you know, NCR is equal to NC n minus R. इसका subtraction करना है तो subtraction 1 हो गया. 3c1 is 3, right? Into 3 into this is x square plus a square, and this is 4a square x square minus 3c3 is 1, and this is 8 a cube x cube, 8 a cube x cube, right? So this is equal to, now we have to multiply with this 27. So 3c0 is 1, and this is x cube, x square raised to cube, that is x raised to 6. So this is 27 x raised to 6 plus this is 3 a square x raised to 4. So 3 a square x raised to 4 plus 3c2 is 3c1, that is 3. So this is plus 3, right? A raised to 4 x square, a raised to 4 x square plus 3c3 is 1 and a raised to 6. This is the expansion of this Now 27 into 2, that is 54. So minus 54, right? And multiplying this ax with this. So a x raised to 5. So a x raised to 5, right? This is 3 into 9, 27 into 2, right? That is 54. A x raised to 5, right? Now 27 into 2, 54 into 2. So minus 108, right? A square into a, that is a cube into x cube. So a cube into x cube. This is 27 into 2, 54. A raised to 5 into x. So minus 27 into 2. So 54 a raised to 5 into x. Plus this is 9 into 4. 36, right? So this is plus 36 time. This is a square x raised to 4. So a square x raised to 4 plus 339 into 4, 36. A raised to 4 x square plus 36 a raised to 4 x square, right? And minus 8 times a cube x cube. 8 times a cube x cube. So only now multiply this with 27, you will be get your answer. So 27 x raised to 6. 27 x raised to 6 plus 27 into 3. How much? 27 into 3. How much? 81. A square x raised to 4 plus 81 a raised to 4 x square plus 27 a raised to 6 minus 54 a x raised to 5 minus 108 a cube x cube minus 54 a raised to 5 x plus 36 a square x raised to 4 plus 36 a raised to 4 x square minus 8 a cube x cube. That is your answer, right? So now you have to write the answer. So 27 x raised to 6. So 20 x raised to 6 is the biggest power. So this is 27 x raised to 6. So this term is over. Now power 5. Power 5 only x term. Is there only x term? No, on this. So this is 54a x raised to 5. So minus 54a x raised to 5. Now x raised to 4 power. X raised to 4 power is, this is term with x raised to 4 power and this is a term with x raised to 4 power. So 81 plus 36 is 117 a square x raised to 4. So plus 117 a square x raised to 4. Now x cube. So term with x cube is, a cube x cube is minus 116. Minus 116. So minus 116 a cube x square. Then term with square. Term with square is this 81. This is term with square. And term with square is here. So 81 plus 36 is again 117 a raised to 4 x square plus 117 a raised to 4 x square. Right? Now term with x. Term with x is only one term. Minus 54 a raised to 5x. So minus 54 a raised to 5x. Right? And plus 27 a raised to 6. So plus 27 a raised to 6. हर्ष वी गेट द आंसर. मेरे पास लैपटॉप है, इसमें आंसर लिखा है तो मैं इसमें टैली करके देता हूँ तो पता चलता है कि आंसर आया कि नहीं आया. सो दिस इज योर आंसर. सो यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इट. ये लेबर वर्क है और कुछ नहीं है. आपको एक्सपेंशन आता है कि नहीं, ये लिखना आता है कि नहीं, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये आता है तो इफ यू नो दिस एक्सपेंशन देन सिंप्लीफिकेशन इज वेरी इजी फॉर यू. बट जो मिस्टेक हम एक बार कर दी थी मैंने बोला था ओनली एक्स और लिख दिया था ट्वाइस एक्स, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। सो फॉर दैट यू हैव टू डू प्रैक्टिस एट होम। सो आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है इसको, आप बार बार प्रैक्टिस कीजिए तो कोई मिस्टेक नहीं होगी। ओके, सो आई थिंक वी वर मीटिंग on next video with a new topic. Okay, till bye.